Prime Minister Narendra Modi has held three very important bilateral meetings today in New York, and he's on a 3-day visit to the United States. And the most important bilateral meeting that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has had today is with Mohammed Abbas, the President of Palestine. This was on the sidelines of the UNGA, and this is a very significant meeting as the PM has met the Palestine president at a time when there is global concern over the Israel-Palestine war and the mounting death toll in Gaza. The MEA official statement about this visit has said the PM Modi expressed deep concern at the humanitarian situation in Gaza and reaffirmed India's continued support to the people of Palestine. Well, this seems in line with the balanced policy of India on Israel-Palestine conflict, as India continues to condemn the Hamas terror strike on Israel last year on October 7 that costed many innocent lives in a hostage situation where many Israeli citizens have been taken hostage by the Hamas and taken over to Palestine. But on the other hand, India also does not support the ongoing onslaught on the lives of civilians, women and children in Palestine. This meeting coming at a time when India is trying to play a pioneering role in ensuring that world conflicts come to an end through talks and dialogue will be very, very keenly observed in global circles, because the president of Palestine was with Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a considerable time in this meeting today. What was discussed between the both sides, and Israel being a close partner of India here giving an audience to the president of Palestine, and the MEA statement clearly saying that Prime Minister Modi has expressed his deep concern at the humanitarian situation in Gaza and reaffirmed India's continued support to the people of Palestine, in line with what India says should be a two-state solution where Israel and Palestine continue as sovereign nations and live peacefully side by side. Will this be acceptable to Israel, which is on an ongoing conflict with Palestinians refusing to enter into a ceasefire remains to be seen, but India making a start here, at least by making an effort by the Prime Minister reaching out and meeting the President of Palestine. Another important meeting on the bilaterals side today has taken between Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi with Sheikh Sabah Khalid Al Hamad Al Mubarak Al Sabah, the Crown Prince of the State of Kuwait. This meeting also happened on the sidelines of the UNGA. Well, both the leaders have reviewed bilateral ties, and the MEA says that they discussed ways to further strengthen the historical linkages and strong people-to-people contact between both the nations. Kuwait is one Gulf in an Islamic country which Mr. Modi has not been able to visit. So far, there was talk that Mr. Modi could take a stop in Kuwait on way back from the US, but that is not happening, as Kuwait has now got a bilateral meeting with the Indian PM in New York itself. The Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, also met the Nepal Prime Minister KP Oli for the first time today, after Mr. Oli had been sworn in as the Prime Minister of Nepal in July. Almost, dramatic circumstances, political developments happened in Nepal earlier this year, after Mr. Oli became the fourth time he became the country's chief executive, after the outgoing Prime Minister Pushpa Kumar Dhamal failed to secure the trust of the House of Representatives during a floor test, leading to Mr. Oli becoming the Prime Minister of Nepal. The official readout from the MEA about this meeting says that both the leaders had a very good meeting with Prime Minister KP Oli in New York, meeting the Prime Minister of India. He himself, Mr. Oli, has said that it was a good meeting, and the MEA says that the India-Nepal friendship is very robust, and both the countries look forward to adding even more momentum to their ties, and the talks with Nepal had focused on issues of energy, technology and trade.